Hello, welcome to hashtag 10-minute collage. How are you doing? How are you feeling? I am good, thank you. I have nothing to complain about, and even if I did, I would not. I would pray instead. It's that time again for hashtag 10-minute collage, and as always, I always cover the backs of my cards just to make it a little bit more sturdy. I've got a few of these distressing inks that I think I want to experiment with. Got a bit of cling film here and some spray water, and I've also got some of these bits and pieces. I just thought, because it's spring, let me see what I can experiment with. So that's what I have. I just need to straighten this out a little bit. Right, I'm going to go over the lines today. I just thought I would do that. See how that goes with yes, so that's what I'll do. And I'd like to do some different colors as well. Let's see what we can do with this. Just move that like that. And let's do some of this color, this blue. Some there and there. It's a little card, I don't want it bombarded with the dark colours. Put some there, some over here in that space. Pink, pink, pink. Oh, that's it, yeah. Shall we do some green? Let's do a bit more of this blue. And then we can do a little bit of green, I think. That's good, yeah. Put some in the white spaces. Have some more to go in there. Yeah, I like that. The green in the white spaces. Some in there. Yes, that's nice. I like that. Let's see what goes where. All done. These little stamps came from the Daphne's Diary, the number 3 this month, and I will put the link for the video for that so you can see them. And I just cut them out. It was like a poster card, and I just cut them out and they look great. I'm really happy with that. I did mention in the video that I perhaps might use them today, so I did, and they look really pretty. There we go. Into my bird too much. I make them bigger, the holes. If you're new here, I'll just let you know I make them bigger because then I can, when I change the ring, they'll still be able to move around in the book, because the bigger the ring, the bigger the hinge. So they're nice and big to move around. I think that's lovely. And I will leave that to dry for a bit. But that was great. I really enjoyed myself. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.